Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss in miscellaneous exercise question number 30. Integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 9 plus 16 into sin 2x dx. The given integrand we cannot integrate directly. We are going to using some identity and replace the denominator. After that only we can integrate, right? We know that sin x minus cos x the whole square equal to sin square x plus cos square x plus minus 2 into sin x cos x, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. You know, 2 sin x cos x is equivalent to sin 2x. Now, sin 2x equal to 1 minus sin x minus cos x the whole square. So, sin 2x can be replaced by 1 minus sin x minus cos x the whole square. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, that you know, right? Now, you are going to adapt substitution. Sin x minus cos x equal to t. Now you are going to differentiate. While doing the differentiation of the denominator, that is sin 2x can be replaced by this. You will arrive the result of numerator. dt equal to, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So minus into minus plus sin x into dx. Got it, children? What I did? Now, whenever you adapt substitution, if the limit is there, limit also will change. When x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1. So, I equal to integral minus 1 to 0, integral minus 1 to 0, sin x plus cos x into dx can be replaced by dt divided by 9 plus 16 into 1 minus t square. Got it, children? Because sin 2x can be replaced by 1 minus of sin x minus cos x the whole square. Sin x minus cos x we got sin x minus cos x we consider as t. Sin x minus cos x we consider as t. Now, the denominator you are going to convert into the standard form. After that, you can integrate easily. Now, which is equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt divided by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square. I equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt divided by 25 minus 16t square. 25 minus 16t square. Now I am going to take 16 as common. Minus 1 to 0 dt divided by 16. If you are taking as common, then 25 you want to write it as 25 by 16 minus t square. Minus t square. Now 1 by 16 you should take it out of the integral. I equal to integral minus 1 to 0, that is 1 by 16, you should take it out of the integral. Dt divided by 5 by 4 the whole square minus t square. Now it looks like your standard format. Integral dx divided by a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x modulus a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Now I equal to 1 by 16 into minus 1 to 0 dt divided by 5 by 4 the whole square minus t square equal to 1 by 16 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 4 because your a is 5 by 4 log of modulus 5 by 4 plus t divided by 5 by 4 minus t limit minus 1 to 0. Right? Now you see. Then 2 8s are, because the 2 will move to the numerator, you can cancel 16 and 2. Now 1 by 40 I equal to 1 by 40 into log of modulus first upper limit, right? 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 upper limit minus lower limit log of modulus 5 by 4 minus 1 divided by 5 by 4 plus 1. It is cancelled, you will get it as 1. Here it becomes what? 5 minus 4 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Here 9 by 4. 1 by 40 into log 1, log modulus 1 minus log of modulus 1 by 4 divided by 9 by 4. 4 cancel 1 by 9. Then I equal to 1 by 40 into log 1 minus log 1 by 9. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Right? Log 1 plus log 9. Log a minus log b, minus is there, so minus into minus plus, which is equal to 1 by 40 into log 9. Now I am going to move to question number 31. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x tan inverse x of sin x dx. I equal to, first I am going to expand sin 2x using the identity. That is 2 sin x cos x into tan inverse sin x dx. That is limit 0 to pi by 2. Now I am going to adapt substitution. Sin x equal to t. T is equal to sin x. dt equal to cos x dx. So I equal to, when you adapt substitution, the limit also changed, I said. X is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2, t equal to 1. Now integral 0 to 1, 2 into t, the cos x dx can be replaced by dt tan inverse t. Here the function comes under product. So using the highlight, you are going to decide which function as u and which is integral dv. Right. After that, you are going to adapt integration by parts. Here highlight inverse trigonometry, logarithm, algebra, trigonometry, and then exponential. Algebra t. Right. That is your u. Now the rest of the thing, it comes under integral dv. T tan inverse t into dt. U equal to t, du equal to dt. Integral dv equal to tan inverse t dt. Now v equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Now I equal to 2 into uv, that is t into 1 by 1 plus t square, 0 to 1 minus integral 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. The second one, it represents your standard format, that is dx divided by x square plus a square equal to what? X square plus 1 equal to tan inverse x. Now 0 to 1. 2 into t into 1 by 1 plus t square 0 to 1 minus what? X square plus a square integral, what it is? Tan inverse t. Tan inverse t integral 0 to 1. U equal to t sorry children, inverse trigonometry, no? Using the highlight, you want to take u equal to, sorry children, inverse trigonometry is your u. So u equal to u equal to tan inverse t, integral dv equal to integral t dt. Sorry children, inverse trigonometry is there. So that is your u. Du equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 plus 1 by t square into dt. V equal to t square by 2. T square by 2. Now I equal to 2 into uv, t square by 2 into tan inverse t. The first portion is integrated, minus 1 by 2 into t square divided by 1 plus t square into dt, 0 to 1. Right? This is I equal to 2 into, first you are going to apply the limit of this, right? What can you get? 1 by 2 into tan inverse 1 minus 0 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 0 to 1. Based on the denominator, I am going to do the modification in the numerator. That is, I am going to add 1 and subtract 1. Right? 1 plus t square minus 1 divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Here 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 4 minus integral 0 to 1, 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square into dt minus integral 0 to 1 dt divided by 1 plus t square. This one I wrote it in terms of sum of two integrals, right? The second part. Now 2 to cancel, pi by 4 minus cancel integral dt, that is t, 0 to 1, minus into minus plus tan inverse t, 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now you see pi by 4 minus 1, upper limit, lower limit 0. So if you want you write, otherwise you no need to write, plus tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0, which is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 plus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2 minus 1. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Therefore, I equal to pi by 2 minus 1. Sorry children, I did a mistake. You don't do that, right? The inverse trigonometry is there. That is your u. The rest of the thing, it comes under integral dv. That portion alone I am going to explain, right? See, t into tan inverse t into dt. Inverse trigonometry, logarithm, algebra, trigonometry, exponential. So, inverse comes under first, that is your u. The rest of the thing, it comes under integral dv, I said, right? So, u equal to tan inverse t, integral dv equal to t into dt. Du equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt, v equal to t square by 2. Then 2 into integration by parts formula you have to recall. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So uv, u is t square, tan inverse t, v is t square by 2, 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 into, because here t square by 2. So the 2 I took it out. T square divided by 1 plus t square dt. The first portion has integrated. So you are going to apply the limit. Now you pass on to the second one. Based on the denominator, I modified the numerator. That is, I added and subtracted 1. Then I wrote it as two different integrals. That is 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square. Here you arrive dt, here minus into minus plus tan inverse t. So when you apply the limit, you arrive pi by 4 minus 1 plus pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 2 minus 1. Got it, children? You have to go through the thing. If you have any doubt, you should ask me, right? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.